This is a short meditation for strengthening, awakening and rebalancing our solar plexus chakra. Let's just locate that area. We put 2 fingers just below our ribs, right in the center of our upper belly. You'll feel maybe a squashiness there. That's our solar plexus area. It's an area of nerves, it's an anatomical area. It represents our personal power and self-confidence. It represents transformation, so not only transformation of our ego and ourselves, but of food, of what we take in life, of digestion and the process of digestion. When it's out of balance, we can become very passive, maybe a little bit hunched, collapsed, or we can be aggressive and angry. We want to say something, but we can't. When it's in balance, we have an ease of taking things in and letting things out and expressing ourselves with ease and grace. So I'm going to guide you through this meditation. See if you can bring your focus to that area. Allow yourself to sit either on the ground, on a cushion or a block, or on a chair, allowing yourself to be comfortable for the next few minutes. You're sitting on a chair, feel your feet in contact with the ground. Feel your seat bones in contact with the ground. Noticing if there's any tension or holding in your ankles, legs, knees, hips and pelvis. If you can at this moment, let any tensions or holding drift away. Noticing your spine lifting upright, the back of your neck, back of your head, the crown of your head lifting up towards the sky. Noticing your face expressionless, neck, throat and shoulders without any holding if possible. Allowing your arms to rest and hands resting somewhere on your knees or next to you. Feeling your awareness moving down through your chest from one collarbone to the other side, through your breastbone, ribs. And first of all, sinking towards your lower belly. Notice as you sit here, your feelings, sensations, just who are you in this moment, accepting all that is. If you'd like to, you could bring one hand or 2 fingers towards the solar plexus. Or just resting your hands and bringing your awareness to that area. Notice your breath. How is it moving without any effort? Perhaps it's high and shallow. Perhaps it's relaxed, moving down, moving your diaphragm. Taking a deep breath in through your nose, open your mouth and exhaling with a sigh. Noticing how that lets us let go of something, tensions, rigidity in our body. Maybe holding of the belly area. Let's do that one more time. Taking a breath in, opening the mouth and sighing out. Perhaps we feel our shoulders relax on that one. Bring your awareness towards your solar plexus chakra. And solar, the sun, it's a yang, it's an active place. It's busy with digestion and life. And so it has that active energy. We can sense a fire there, our digestive fire in this area. The colour of the solar plexus, as it suggests, is the sun. Maybe a bright yellow, maybe a golden colour. We're going to bring some visualisation in. So around that area, notice if you can begin to imagine some warmth, the warmth of the sun on a sunny day, directed towards this area. And maybe it feels like a golden ball, and it's just in the front of you, so not in your body, but just holding at the front of the solar plexus, perhaps about the size of a football. Feel the warmth of that golden light. And imagine that we can take that energy inside. We can bring that energy inside our body and allow that energy, that warmth, to radiate, to soften muscles that might be rigid, to give energy to areas that might be compressed or empty or weak. Imagine that there's rays of sunshine coming out of this golden ball, and they radiate outwards towards our navel and towards the outside of our belly. They radiate towards our back and our spine, the solar plexus area at the back. The rays radiate upwards towards our heart, bringing transformational energy, the power of transformation to our heart, to our throat and to our upper chakras, to our face, to our shoulders and arms. Warm, active energy. Noticing the rays moving downwards. They move down towards our lower belly, towards our organs of digestion, towards the processes that happen in our abdominal area, towards our genitals and our reproductive organs, the areas of creativity, the areas of feeling, glowing with that golden light from the sun. Imagine, what's your colour of sun? Is it a hot golden yellow, or is it a more gentle, fluttering lemon colour? And as we feel the rays moving downwards, the rays into our legs, energizing our legs and knees and ankles and feet, allowing us to ground, allowing us to make contact with our lower chakras. We might feel the rays moving out from side to side, towards the side of the ribs, through the stomach and spleen, associated with the solar plexus area. Good digestion, so we're helping ourselves here to improve our digestive processes and our metabolism, and to keep our digestive fire alight. Feeling the rays to the other side, through the liver, allowing the functioning of the liver and the gallbladder, and moving out to the sides of our ribs. And imagine that golden ball just sending rays to wherever it's needed in our body. Maybe there's an area that's feeling a little under the weather, needs a little attention. Or that's been working too hard, maybe the neck or the shoulders. Needs some gentle grace from the solar plexus. Taking 2 more breaths and feeling the expansion of that energy. And on the next breath, as we exhale, the golden ball becomes a little smaller, maybe the size of a grapefruit. And it's just there in that area between our ribs, above our navel. And we're making it compact, we're holding that energy, so we can dip into it when we need it. We're bringing the energy to this area, so that we can speak our truth with ease and grace. So that we can be gentle and yet we can express, we can find our assertive nature. we can step into our own power without being overpowering. We can take in what we need to take in. We can digest life and all that it throws at us. And when we get out of balance, we can come back to this area and just breathe here. Visualize the golden rays. Taking 2 breaths in and out. And on the next exhale, just imagine it's becoming a little smaller. Maybe it's the size of a lemon. And it's just tucking in right there in that spot. The spot where we sometimes feel fluttering, signs of anxiousness or worry. Very normal. That's the place that's affected. And we can give it a little reassurance. We can breathe there. We can bring this visualization. We can bring some golden light and just let everything know it's okay. Feel the gentle pulsation of that smaller golden ball. And it's becoming even smaller now. The size of a small ball, maybe a squashy ball. And it's just dissolving into an area of light. It's still able to radiate in all directions. And yet there it is, resting, protected. And allowing your hands to rest to the side. With your awareness in this area, noticing any sensations there, noticing how you feel. And very slowly to end, starting to move your fingers and toes. And maybe moving your head and neck, opening your eyes. Om Shanti, Shanti, peace,